Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we're going to go through the reveal of the April journaling bundle. So I will have everything by the time this video goes live. All of this will be photographed and up on the Etsy shop. So it'll be super easy to find. And this time once these are gone, they're gone. So I'm going to package them as the bundle. It's going to come with the journal, with the pen, with the washi, with everything. And I'm only going to make as many as I have of these journals available. So once these sell out, I won't be doing the individual packages anymore with just the journaling stuff. It's going to be pretty much all, because I don't like having leftovers. I just don't have the space to keep leftover stuff. So I want to make sure that the journals, the whole thing goes together, so that way I don't have any extra stock laying around. I work out of my office, and so I don't have a lot of storage space for stuff. So it's gotta go, it's gotta go. Anyway, so here is the journaling bundle for April. Like I said, this one is called In the Garden, and obviously it is spring. So I wanted to do something very spring-like, but also has like a little bit of a Easter vibe to it with the bunny. It's just really, really pretty kit. So I'll go through, I have everything just kind of strewn out because I was taking some pictures. So I'll just go through. First of all, you already know that it comes in this package right here, so that you can easily keep your journal in here, keep it nice and clean. You can keep all your extra stickers in here, take it with you on the go, doesn't matter, but they always come in this. So there's that. Then we have the journal itself, which is a nice big fat dot grid journal. Got tons and tons of pages here. And then here is the cover. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at how pretty that is. And then on the back side, you've got all of your gardening stuff all over it. And yes, it still says a Scrappy Fox because this is one of the ones that I ordered before I made the changes. This was the very last one of the last order that I did. So the rest of them after this say Coco and Fluff on the back. So there's the journal. Hopefully I'm not too close for you, but I want to make sure you can see the stickers really well. I'm going to go over the pen first. And again, I don't have room to keep extras. So the extras that come, these you have to buy a certain number. There's like a minimum number of them. So I have extras of all of the pens, and I'm going to put them up on the Etsy shop. It'll be under like the extras section where there'll be like pens and extra journals. I do have a couple of extra journals before I started keeping it all together as one. So I do have a few extra journals that'll be up there. Extra washi is there. Pens will be up there, stuff like that. So this one is called Island Coral, and this is a clean colored dot pen, the Zig ones, and I'll show you with the dots. So you can, because of the size of the nib, harder pressure gives you a bigger dot. See the bigger dots? Or light pressure gives you a smaller dot. Easy. Then on the other side, you've got the marker where you can write. I'll put it up here so you can see. So there's how it looks with the color, different sizes, and then you can see that the pen is super skinny, so great for journaling. I'll set that off to the side, and then let's do the washi. So I have some already here. So here's the washi already packaged up, ready to go. Put that off to the side, and I will roll out mine for you. So I've already started playing with this kit, and I love it. It's so pretty. So, oops, excuse. Hey, all right. I'm picking up, my washi is picking up my stickers underneath. Okay, we got this. All right, there you go. Hopefully it will, here, let me just zoom you in. There you go. Okay, so you can see it's got the gold speckles throughout, this really pretty floral pattern. Love that. Then we're gonna roll out this one. And then this one, I want to do something different. So I have two completely different washis here so that you can do different looks on different pages. They're not like exactly the same. So I took the flower pot, grabbed some color out of the flower pot and put it in the bottom. So you can see here that you have like this really beautiful pink with the flower pots on top. So I thought that would make like a really pretty page, like a different, just something completely different from this one to this one. So there is your washi. Give you a lot more options for different looks on different pages. Let me roll up my nasty sweatshirt because I have on my big old gray sweatshirt today. So there's your washi. Sorry, got distracted. Now let's go through this pile. I was taking pictures, like I said, so everything's kind of strewn about, but you can see here, this is your vellum. And this is a 5x7 sheet of vellum. This is great for like doing junk journaling or for decorating pages. There's going to be a lot of shadow here because the sun is like half in, half out. So it's kind of giving me troubles with my, hopefully you guys can see this okay. I'm really, really sorry, but I can't control the weather up here. Although I would like to, I can't. So there's your vellum. Then you've got your washi sheet. You've got your deco sheet. I'm just going to lay them out, kind of fan them out for you so you can see everything. The journal this month is the new journaling. This is the brand new layout for the journal. So all the journals come like this now. Look at how much stuff comes on this page. I tried to stuff as many things on this as I could possibly get. So you've got lots and lots of little paint swatches. What looks really fun is if you take, these are kiss cut. So your days of the week are kiss cut. And if you layer them over the dots, it looks absolutely amazing on a page. You've got like a little clipboardy looking thing right here. This one you can write right in here, or you can put like a little, like your notes in here, however you want to put it. Then you've got lots of your ripped pages, like your little ripped edges. And then I made sure that you had some regular sized boxes in case you wanted to do like dailies and you wanted to put some boxes in there. So I made sure you had, these are standard vertical size boxes, so you can put those in. But how pretty is that? Oh my gosh, I love how, I just could sit here and stare at this all day. It is just absolutely gorgeous. So there is the new journaling layout. Then as always, you're going to get your mini kit. And look at this. Look at this washi. It's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you wanted to kind of take your extras and move over into your big planner, or if you're using your journal for a weekly planner and you do like your weekly spread in your journal, these are standard size vertical. So here's, oh, let me bring this up nice and close so you can see it. So pretty. This is just absolutely gorgeous kit. This is so spring. It's so spring. So next up, let's do the smaller stuff. So this one, because I don't know about like when you're journaling, I have a tendency to kind of back journal a lot. So I wanted to use some in March and some in April. So I gave you a variety of both March and April on this page, because I know you don't need like 5,000 Aprils, but how beautiful would it be to do like an end of March spread? So I gave you some March ones and then to do some in April. Absolutely gorgeous. So you have both March and April on there. Something different. If you guys don't like it, I won't do it again, but I thought it was kind of fun to bring some of March into April if you back journal like I do. Then you got some more days of the week, just cuz. And then your April prompts, which are kiss cut. So you can just lay them down and answer underneath. And read some of these, they're funny. So the view from my window, most of the time, and even this time of year, it's still snowy. So even though this is very spring and I'm ready for it, it's still kind of snowy outside. What motivates me, this one's my favorite. 5 people I would invite to dinner and why. And they don't have to be famous, it says famous or not. So here are your journaling prompts. You got plenty of those. Then I'm going to slide this up so that I can put down the big stickers. So these are some of my favorite things to do. And we started actually carrying sticker packs in the shop because I love doing them so much. And I have so much fun with them in my journals and on my like dashboards and stuff that I started carrying a lot more of them in the shop. But here is the ones that are coming in your journal bundle this month. Super pretty. I'll show you my 2 favorite ones, which I'm going to do an entire spread just based off of my 2 favorite stickers in here. Here is one of them. Look at that. I guess that's so fun. And then this one, how pretty is that? Like a little, I thought that this one would be really pretty on a page where you're like figuring out what you're going to plant this year, because it's got like plant care, wildflowers, it's got little seed packets. I thought this would be really pretty for one of those pages. So anyway, there are your stickers. So those are the individual stickers, and they are double cut. So you just, it's not hard. I don't want to ruin it by sticking my big old paws on it, but you can see here that it's double cut. Okay, so this is everything that I have for you for the April journaling bundle. And sorry about the voiceover. Dogs went absolutely insane, started barking, and totally ruined the end of my video. And I didn't want to redo the whole thing over again. So you're going to get voiceover me for the last part of this. I just want to quickly kind of go over and remind you guys of the Facebook group. So again, I will leave it linked down below. Those pens are also going to be available in the shop by themselves, not just as a part of the bundle. So if you're just looking for the pens, those will also be there along with the extra washi. And then about the Facebook group, so I will leave it, like I said, linked down below. And every month we draw random, totally random, from the album of that month, from the number of pictures that are there. And that is how you can just easily win $25 shop credit, which you can use for anything you want in the shop. You can use it during sale times. You can use it whenever you want. So, and it is, like I said, shop credit. So it does not matter what you buy when you use it. And then every single month I do this. And then depending on how many people actually upload to the album will depend on how many of those that I actually draw. So sometimes there's more than one winner. I can say that, winner. I can't even do a voiceover without messing it up. Anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye.